Which CB antenna is actually good for your semi-truck? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wilson Antennas 300-5600. First up is the Wilson Antennas 300-5600 Black Gumdrop CB Antenna Stud. Priced at just $19.99, it caught my attention because it's straightforward and effective. If you need a reliable antenna stud for your semi, this is worth a serious look. This product is specifically designed for surface or roof mount installations, making it easy to set up in your truck. It features a SO239 connector that allows for a plug-to-plug hookup, ensuring a secure connection. The durable ABS material means it can withstand the elements, which is critical on long hauls. With a 4.6-star rating from over 577 reviews, it seems to be a popular choice among truckers. Now, some people complained about the installation not being as straightforward as they hoped. Just be ready for a bit of trial and error if you're not handy. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and solid option for your antenna. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced features or if you need higher power handling. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Wilson 300-5492T 2000 series. Next is the Wilson 300-5492T 2000 series CB radio antenna, which comes in at $49.27. What stood out to me is its impressive 5-inch shaft and 49-inch stainless steel whip, making it a solid choice for truckers who want reliable communication. If you want optimal performance on the road, this is definitely worth considering. The frequency range of 26 MHz to 30 MHz allows for clear communication, making those long-distance chats much easier. Plus, the larger coil housing is designed for increased power handling, so you can trust it won't let you down when it matters most. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users mention that it can be a bit too tall for certain setups, potentially causing clearance issues. But let's be real, that's a common issue with taller antennas. If you have the space, this one performs great. This is perfect for you if you often drive in remote areas and need a reliable signal. Skip this if you have height restrictions on your truck. It's a great value for the power it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 3, Iridiator 27 MHz whip antenna. Now, let's check out the CB radio antenna 27 MHz whip from Iridiator, priced at $20.99. The first thing that caught my eye is its durability, with a fiberglass and brass construction that promises a longer service life. If you need something tough for your truck, this is worth a serious look. At 24 inches long, this antenna might seem small, but it delivers on performance with a frequency range of 26 to 29.5 MHz. It's versatile too, working well in various weather conditions, which is essential for those unpredictable long hauls. The positive reviews highlight its effectiveness for self-driving tour and outdoor activities, showing it's not just for professional use. Some users have noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's relatively easy to set up and the performance is solid. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that performs well in various conditions. Skip this one if you need a longer range or more advanced features. For the price, it's a value buy. Now, if you want something a bit more high-tech, the next antenna might be just what you need. Product number 4, X-Sprite 4 FT RGB LED antenna. The next antenna on the list is the X-Sprite 4 FT CB radio antenna with RGB LED whip light, and it's priced at $129.99. What really surprised me is the added visibility with the vibrant LED lights. If you're looking for style along with functionality, this is definitely worth a look. The 4FT length and IP67 waterproof rating mean it can handle tough weather, ensuring you stay connected and visible, whether you're on the highway or a back road. Plus, it operates in the 26.9275 MHz frequency range for clear communication. Some users have reported that it can be a bit complicated to set up because of the LED feature. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech savvy, you might find it a bit frustrating. But once you get it going, it's a showstopper. This is perfect for you if you want to add some flair to your truck while ensuring good communication. Skip this if you prefer something simpler without the flashy lights. It's a fun option for those who want to stand out. Now, if you want something similar with a different look, the next one is a great alternative. Product number 5, X-Brite 4 FT Amber LED Antenna. Last but not least is the X-Brite 4 FT CB radio antenna with spiral amber LED whip light, priced at $99.09. Like the previous model, this antenna combines functionality and visibility, but with a more understated amber light. If you need a solid performing antenna that's also stylish, this is a great pick. The amber light offers a bright, even illumination, ensuring you're seen on the road, especially during night driving or in bad weather. The durable construction and IP67 waterproof rating mean it's built to last, even in rough conditions. However, some reviews pointed out that the rocker switch could be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing, this can be adjusted over time. If you're careful with it, it should serve you well without any issues. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of visibility and performance. Skip this if you're not into lights at all. For the price, it delivers good value with its features. So to wrap it all up, we've got options ranging from the affordable Wilson antennas to the flashy X-Brite LED antennas. Each has its own strengths, whether you value simplicity, performance, or style. Take a good look at your needs and pick the one that fits best for your semi-truck.